Hello students, welcome to e-classes of DPOL School. This is chapter number 5 of standard 2 decoding computer science book. So this one is more about the keyboard. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to know about the keyboard special keys, and here you see a keyboard is a input device and it is used to enter instruction into the computer. So you can type by pressing keys on the keyboard of the computer. Whatever you type on the keyboard appears on the monitor screen. So the Christopher Lantham Souls invented the keyboard. You have to learn that or remember that this person is invented keyboard. Okay, then you may see here this one is this picture of a keyboard, and here you see these are the various keys that are located on the keyboard, and you may know there are total 104 or 104 keys on the keyboard. Okay, then you may see here this one is the alphabet keys. Okay, these are the alphabet keys, these 3 rows keys. Okay, then if we talk about the number keys, the highlighted person, that is these and these are known as. Okay, then if we talk about the special key, these are the special key students. Okay, you may see here this red color highlighted mark is on the special keys. Then if we talk about the space bar key, the spacebar key is used to insert space between letters, words, numbers, or between sentences. It is the longest key of the keyboard. Enter key. The enter key is used to move the text to the next line. Then after that there are two types of enter keys on the keyboard. Then cursor key, there are four arrow keys or the cursor key on the keyboard, and these are used to move the cursor up, left, right and down. Okay, then the caps lock key, whenever you click on the or press on the caps lock key, that letter you type or the particular word you type is within caps lock or within a capital word. Okay, so here you see without caps lock this one you type, and whenever you press the caps lock, then this one is just a is capital. Then after that you just have to again press on the caps lock key, then after that DITA, and this is on small. Okay, then delete key. Delete key is used to erase any type text on the right side of the cursor. Then backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase any text but on the left side of the cursor. Okay, so students, you have to learn these, and after that you have to do it on your computer and just send me the picture of this one. Okay, then if we know about more on alphabet key, just see here alphabet keys have all the letters from A to Z, but they are not given in order. Alphabet keys are 26 in numbers. We can type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys, and these are alphabet keys students. Then after that if we talk about the number keys, the number keys have numbers on them. They are 10 in number, that is from 0 to 9. Then they are placed above the alphabet key and are given in order. We can type our age, roll number, house number, etc. with the help of number keys. The number keys is also present on the right side of the keyboard. You may see here. So if you want to just use it, just here you have to press the number lock keys first on, then after that you use it. Okay, then special keys. Apart from the alphabet keys and number keys, there are some other keys on the keyboard like spacebar keys, enter key and backspace key and delete key. We already talked about this, but now we see the more about the spacebar key. Okay, the spacebar key is the longest key of the key on the keyboard, and it is used to give spaces between the text. You can give space between two letters, words, numbers, pressing the spacebar key. Okay, then enter key. While you typing, we can see a small blinking line on the screen. It shows where the next letter, number or symbols will appear on the screen. The blinking line is called the cursor line, and enter keys help us to take the cursor to the next line. Okay, so students, let's see, this one are the function key, that is from F1 to F12, and F1, F2 and F3, F5 and F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. These are the function keys. Then cursor control keys, you may see here, these are 4 cursor keys, that is for left arrow key, or you may see here this one is the left arrow key. It helps you to move the cursor left, and right cursor key is help you to move the cursor right, and up cursor key is help you to move the cursor up, and down cursor key is help you to move the cursor down. So then we learn about the caps lock key, and we already learn about the caps lock key, and you may see here this sentence is typed with the help of the caps lock key. Okay, then the backspace key and the delete key, we already see about this. Then you may see here this one is another one, or this one is shift key. The shift key is used in combination with other keys. There are 2 shift key on a keyboard, and both of them have the same function. Shift key is used for the following: to type the symbol which are present at the top of the number keys or other keys. For example, to type star, press shift key and along with number key, that is 8. Okay, then the type letters in uppercase without turning on the caps lock key, you may click here the shift key first and the letter whatever you want. You have to both press at a time. Okay, the shift key and the letter key. Okay, then after that, just you may see here the caps lock key, the shift key helps you to take the letter in uppercase. Okay, so then the tab key. So see you in next class, students. We learn about tab key on the next class. Thank you.